Welcome to Crisis Management 101, featuring tips and tricks from the legendary Zathras. Crisis management is the process of preparing for, managing, and recovering from a crisis. Identify potential crises before they happen to minimize their impact. Develop a crisis management plan that outlines the steps to take in the event of a crisis. Communicate effectively with all stakeholders to ensure a coordinated response. Execute the crisis management plan and take action to mitigate the crisis. Remember, crisis management is about being prepared, staying calm, and taking action. Visit our website to learn more about crisis management.